how to use Visa gift card on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how you can use your Visa gift card on Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your favorite web browser such as Google Chrome. And in the search bar, type in roblox.com and then go to the official website of Roblox. Once you're there, log into your specific account where you want to use your Visa gift card. Once you're logged in, from the homepage, go to the Robux section on Roblox in the top right corner of the screen. Now choose the amount of the Robux that you want to buy. For example, let's choose 400 Robux or more. Now then select your payment type. Since a Visa gift card works like your credit card, you can choose the Visa or credit card option. You will be taken to a new page. Enter the following information from your Visa gift card, that is, card number, expiration month and year, your CVC code, that is the 3-digit code on the back of your card, full name as it appears on the card, your country and region. And after finding out all the correct information, click on Pay, and this will use your Visa gift card to purchase Robux. So that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you can use your Visa gift card on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.